starting off here on the Ghost Train XXL. I've done many Ghost Trains in my time. It's the first time I've done this. It's been on my bucket list for a while. If you're new around here, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. There's a view over the fair, very lovely. There we are. So you can see it's not a very big fair, but it's certainly worth visiting, especially with this Ghost Train. Theme in central here at the top. It's a little bit barren, but we'll let it go. View over Ramsay Park there for you. It's going to be a very tight turn. Oh! It was a tight turn, I was right. So the top section you get. Again, I'm going to keep banging on about the lovely park. See, quite wobbly, but you can see the family coasters bouncing over there in the distance. Hold on, you get travel sickness. And here we go to Ghost Train XXL. Wow! I didn't know if it was going to break there, that was a bit scary. Oh jeez. I suppose I should expect a couple of jump scares on a Ghost Train, shouldn't have. It's a bit of a given. Quick down here, wow. Parkessent. Let's go straight XXL, what a ride. like that before. Scary spit that. Been to a lot of fairs in my time, but I've never been stuck on a ghost train. It might have been a bit unclear to see what happened there, but I got stuck at the top of the lift hill and the operator had to come and push me. I won't be doing that again. Wow.